Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you the quick and easy tutorial on Relevance AI for beginners. You will learn what Relevance AI is, how to use it, and how to build your very first AI assistant, all without any coding. Let's get started. Relevance AI is a platform that helps you build smart AI agents to automate customer support, emails, data analysis, and more. It works like your own personal assistant, powered by AI that can think, respond, and even learn from your data. Once you sign in, go to the Agents tab. Here you will see templates and Scratch. If you use to start and you own agent as you required, then click Scratch. But if you want to use pre-made template and customize it, then click the template. Now choose any template. This gives you a pre-built assistant you can customize for your need. Jump over the Build tab. Give your agent a name, something like Sport Board. Your first agent is ready. Now let's feed your agent some info. This will where everything comes together. Now follow these simple steps. In the prompt section, update any tool labeled personal assistant if needed. In the trigger tab, connect to your Gmail account. This lets your assistant send and receive emails on your behalf. In the tool section, set up the following actions. Send clarifying message if the query is not clear. Send a clarification email. Send feedback request. Ask for feedback when needed. Send email form. Send a form to collect more detail. Send final response. Send a final solution email once the query is handled. Verify question and answer. Double check the match between the customer questions and your answers. Now let's teach your assistant. Create a knowledge table called question answer. Add two columns question answer. Fill in a few example questions and answer your customer might ask. This helps your assistant find the right answers automatically. And there you have it. You just build your own smart AI assistant in Relevance AI to handle customer emails 24 hours. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.